With Daktela for Microsoft Teams, everything you need to communicate lives in one powerful workspace. We're bringing true omnichannel customer engagement directly into the Teams interface your users already know and trust. Before we dive into Teams, let's talk about Daktela itself. Daktela is an AI-driven customer experience platform, bringing omnichannel engagement, advanced call features, AI automation, and analytics all together in one unified workspace. And the best part? All this functionality can be delivered directly within a native app for Microsoft Teams, so it keeps the familiar environment you use every day. No more switching systems, just one intelligent, unified workspace, including full omnichannel support, voice, chat, email, SMS, and social, all with a complete history. Smart routing, connecting your customers to the right person instantly. Presence and team collaboration, so you can work seamlessly across different departments. And analytics, to track performance, optimize workflows, and see trends across your entire business. This isn't just integration, this is your total operation aligned in one place. So, let's see it in action and dive into our demo. So here we have a normal Teams dashboard with all your usual functions such as activities and chats. I have bookings and OneDrive, but you'll also see the Daktela logo here, which is our app. Just click on the app and you can log in here to begin. You can use your username and password or use the single sign-on option with Microsoft Entra ID, so you have the same login credentials in sync. This is my Daktela dashboard. It is completely customizable, with lots of different views and widgets right down to the user level. Here we have my calendar, recent activities, and active tickets. And our sidebar marries nicely alongside the Teams sidebar. To begin your day, simply click Go Ready. Instantly, your omnichannel environment comes to life. Here you can see the active channels I'm connected to: voice, email, SMS, WhatsApp, all managed directly inside Teams. So let's contact a customer. Search by name or number in your CRM and click to dial. Then we have the MS device presenting the customer information. The more you add in the CRM, the more you see. And we'll accept this to start the outbound call. Now we are on a live call with a customer. It's very similar to being on a call with another Teams user in your organization. Back to Daktela, you have all the full professional call control built in. Hold, invite, transfer, consult a supervisor, all without ever leaving the Teams window. The system has automatically displayed any tickets associated with the contact, so you have full context of their relationship for faster resolutions and personalized service. You have a brief summary of the customer card, and you can also quickly refer to a specific conversation by date with the activities mapped on the calendar. And productivity doesn't stop while you are on a call. You can have other communications and perform other admin tasks in other tabs. So for this example, I am going to start an SMS chat with the customer. I can just submit this as an SMS message, but I'm going to click here to start a chat. And you can see I have two activities happening in real time. Here the customer has replied, asking for confirmation of their order. So I'm going to scroll down to quickly find the information in their latest ticket, and then, while I am here on the call, I will link these active communications to that specific order. In that ticket, you can see that all the communications have been linked, including a recent email. For collaboration or assistance, you can also add an internal comment, tagging in another user, or just adding further useful info like I'm doing here. Once you confirm the order is complete, you can close the SMS chat and end the call. As no further action is required, I'm going to close the ticket. But just to note, You can use all these fields to set statuses, assign other users for action, or reopen it to a set date. Every interaction stays connected. Every update stays accurate. So that was an outgoing call and SMS. But now I'll show you what happens when a call comes into the business. As you see, you receive a dual notification. The familiar Teams alert, plus a Daktela pop-up displaying full customer context. Before you even answer, you know exactly who's calling and why. Once accepted, the conversation begins immediately with all the call features as before, including customizable macros, such as pulling and pushing data to customer cards in other external systems. As before, you can add notes, update tickets, and manage the relationship in real time, while Teams delivers audio in the background. Notice your status icon. When you're on a call, Daktela automatically updates Teams to "in a call," so there's no interruptions. And if you're already in a Teams meeting, Daktela holds incoming calls automatically. As you can see, the phone icon has gone. Then, after the meeting, we have the ability to call again. It works together to respect your time and your focus. You can also make calls from the Teams interface dial pad. And the activity is synced and logged in Daktela. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, managers and supervisors can monitor live performance and user activity. This data is accessible via the real-time section in the application or through customizable wallboards. This is all logged, giving you extensive historical reporting across your communications. So, are you ready to transform the way your team communicates? Visit Daktela.com today to book your full personalized demo. Daktela and Microsoft Teams. Better collaboration, smarter results. Let's get started.